Hi guys, and welcome to this course in Autodesk Fusion 360. So first of all, this is just a bit of an introduction. What is Fusion? Well, Autodesk is probably the market leader in CAD design software, 2D and 3D. Some of you may know AutoCAD, some of you may have done my previous course on AutoCAD. That it is 3D. It's primarily started as a 2D package, and CAD kind of has evolved from there. We then saw things like Autodesk Inventor and SolidWorks, which was the mechanical and production 3D software. And these are kind of very complex industry level courses. We do have a course on Inventor if you want to check that out, but these are very much aimed at the top of the market. And it was identified that there is a position somewhere in between. So with the advent of things like 3D printers and home CNC machines, that kind of thing, people were able to manufacture small components at home using these kind of 3D printers, things like that. And as a result, people wanted to design their own items. They didn't need the expense and complexity of something like SolidWorks or Inventor just to do simple items. And also a lot of the way the files are shared and things in Inventor, it suits kind of big companies. It's not really, or it wasn't really suited to the kind of file sharing that goes on between home users on the internet and things like that. So there was a kind of gap in the market for some software for hobby users to create things for various hobbies or various small items. And Fusion 360 basically does that job very, very well. Okay, so let's have a brief look at the software.